stop what you're doing, bro, because in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the exact steps on how to get MidJourney for completely free in 2023. I'm going to be teaching you 3 different methods that will work starting today. And at the end of the video, I'm actually going to be teaching you about MidJourney's #1 competitor that you can start using right now for completely free. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you stick to the end and you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because on this channel, I teach you how to get almost anything for completely free. And for those of you who subscribe and watch till the end, I have a secret surprise for you. So make sure you go ahead and stick around for that. So if you guys didn't know, MidJourney has recently started charging for their pricing, which to me is absolutely ridiculous, because I know for a fact that it doesn't actually cost that much to run an AI like this, but they're going to go ahead and charge you anyway, because they want to get as much money as they possibly can out of a good hardworking soul like you. As you can see here, you have to pay up to $10 a month just for the basic plan, which doesn't even allow you commercial rights, which means that you can't even sell anything with that, which is ridiculous. You have to pay up to $30 a month for that, which is absolutely insane. So in today's video, I want to be teaching you 3 different methods on how you can get this kind of money for completely free starting right now today. And $60 a month for their pro plan is just, this is ridiculous, and we need to go ahead and do something about it. And if you're interested in doing something about it, you're going to make sure to watch till the end of this video. So as you guys can see right here, I have my phone on my screen. I can just go up and down. You can see this is my actual real phone screen live for you guys. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the first link in the description. And the reason why is it's because it's going to take you to this app called Social Oasis, where if you guys go ahead and sign up with my exclusive link down below, you will get a free $50 upon sign up, which is already going to be a couple months completely free from MidJourney. But as you can see right here, I actually have a balance of $1,000 from Social Oasis. And if I go ahead and hit the refresh button, you can see that this is not in fact a joke. And the way that you can make super easy money from Social Oasis, I would recommend just going to this offer area, and I would recommend checking out any one of these apps and following the exact steps in order to earn up to $120 per app download, which sounds too good to be true. But as you can see right there, I actually did receive that money when I went ahead and did some of these. Now, I would not recommend any of the apps that tell you, hey, you need to win 5 games or you need to reach a certain level in order to get the money. I would recommend just the apps that the only thing that they require you to do is just download the app, or you have to search something from the App Store and then download it in a certain ranking, and you might have to run the app for a certain period of time, or just sign up for an account. Don't spend any money on this. It's not required, and sometimes you just get offers that are like that. You could also fill out some super easy surveys, which is also an option. You could potentially get a free $500 Cash App card. You could get $250 in grocery store credit, a $750 Sheen card. All of this is possible, but I would go ahead and mainly stick to the app offers because that's what worked the best for me. The thing that worked the second best though was go ahead and getting referrals. As you can see, I have gotten 16 total referrals, and it is $20 per referral. And for me, what I do when I go ahead and I want a referral is all I do is that I copy this link right here. And for you, I would go ahead and go to the description and join my Discord. Now on my Discord, as you can see right here, we have an active and growing community of over 1,500 different people who are all looking to get as much as they can out of these apps. And if we go ahead and go to my Social Oasis share link, you can see right here we have a bunch of people who are going ahead and advertising their own Social Oasis code. How I would recommend doing it is I would recommend going ahead, as you can see I've already pre-typed this for you, is copying and pasting your link right here and then typing in R4R. Basically what this is going to do is that anybody who's in the chat right now can go ahead and do a R4R, which means that if you do my referral, I'll do your referral. So I would highly recommend engaging with my community and checking this out, because this is going to be the easiest way for you to make almost up to $20 per referral for basically completely free. But something else to pay attention is that you can't actually notify every single member of the Discord. And if you want to do that, you have to do an @everyone. If we go here and check out my premium share links, you can see we already have people in here who @everyone, and you can get access to these 1,500 group of people. @everyone is actually how I've gotten my 16 original referrals. You can go ahead and advertise anything that you want to these 1,500 people. And all you have to go ahead and do that is check out my university. So a link for this is also going to be in the description, but basically here on Xavier University, you get access to the premium share links where only students of Xavier University are allowed to post in there, and you can @everyone, but you also get access to every single one of my Temu methods, which made me over $4,500 just this month for my free product methods, which I used to get this Nintendo Switch for completely free. I also used it to get a bunch of other stuff for completely free. You can see we also have free and discounted food. On top of that, we have free gift cards And just to sweeten the deal a little bit more, we even have an Amazon product bot where basically this bot is scouring the internet constantly looking for the most discounted and cheap offers from Amazon. And as you can see right here, what a bunch of students from Xavier University have done is that they have bought a bunch of these products in bulk and then resold it for the actual asking price, creating a small side hustle where they are able to make hundreds of dollars extra a week just super easily just by buying this stuff right here. And you can get all of this in Xavier's University and more. I just added this 10-page document teaching you how exactly to get free stuff from Amazon, and this is obviously going to be your ticket to be making a bunch of easy money from apps online, so make sure to check it out with the link down below. But if that's not enough for you guys, I'm going to be giving you 2 more ways to be making free money to go ahead and use for MidJourney. As you can see right here, the first app I would recommend you download is called AttaPoll. I've already filled out all of my surveys for AttaPoll for the day, but if you sign up with my link down below, as you can see, I already have 3 friends who have done it. You can get a free 50 cents upon sign up. And when you go ahead and do this, it's going to be a free 50 cents for you. And the best part about AttaPoll is that you can cash out into anything. You can see I already have almost $2 from AttaPoll just by starting to use it today. You can cash out into PayPal, you can cash out into any kind of gift card, which you can then roll back into your MidJourney subscription. The problem with AttaPoll is that, as you can see, I've already filled out all the surveys for the day. So what am I going to do when I'm out of surveys completely is I would recommend checking out our second app, Eureka, which, as you can see, I have made up to $36 from Eureka just in the last couple weeks, just getting on here whenever I'm on the John or on the Can and just filling out these super easy surveys, which you guys can go ahead and fill out these surveys to make a bunch of free money. Now, I wouldn't recommend filling out any of these surveys that are less than $1, but if you guys want a completely free survey that is $1 and a free 50 cents, I would recommend signing up with my link down below, because as you can see, you get a free 50 cents upon sign up and a free $1 upon sign up, which this is obviously an excellent deal for you. So you can go ahead and get this super easy survey that I know won't take you no more than 10 minutes because I have subscribers that have done it, and you get a free 50 cents upon sign up, which then you can go ahead and cash out into almost anything. You can cash out into a Visa gift card, into a PayPal, or even into a bank transfer, which then you can roll into almost anything, including your MidJourney Pro subscription, which I know is going to be the best way for you guys to go ahead and get MidJourney Pro for completely free. Which, as promised, I am also going to be showing you guys MidJourney's #1 competitor. Now, as you can see right here, this is called BlueWillow. Now, BlueWillow is this app from this Discord that you can go ahead and join right now, and you can just look them up. They have almost over, I think, like hundreds of thousands of members who are all in here. And the best part about this is that it is using the exact same image generation technology as MidJourney, but the best part is that you can do up to 100 photos completely free forever. Basically, they do have a pro option for those of you who want it, but you can do up to 100 AI art generations a day, which for me, I know is going to be plenty, because as you can see, if I go right here and I go back to BlueWillow, you can see that I have done all of this stuff for different projects of mine, and you can see that it looks really, really great, and it almost looks better than MidJourney, because again, they are using the exact same technology that MidJourney is using. And as you can see, they have even the exact same user format as MidJourney with the upscale and the V1s and the V2s and the V3s. You guys can just look up and join BlueWillow today, because I do think that they're actually superior in a lot of ways compared to MidJourney, which the main reason is because they are completely free, which to me is an absolute steal. But for those of you who are paying attention to the runtime, this video is approaching its end. I do have that secret surprise for you. Per 100 subscribers that this video gets me, I will be doing a free $100 Cash App giveaway. What this means is that if I get 1,000 subscribers from this video, I will be doing 10 different $100 Cash App giveaways to 10 different lucky people in the comments. All you have to do to enter is go ahead and comment down below your cash tag, as well as subscribing to the channel so we can get as many of these going as possible. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you click on one of these videos right here, because I guarantee you it's going to be your way of making a bunch of free money online. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.